9 tips to follow before building a new home. Dear friends, things you need to follow when buying or building your own private home. House planner. Before proceeding with the design of the house, you must determine everything related to the appearance of the home, its area, and its design. This design should reflect the family's vision and its requirements within the budget set. For example, to reduce the cost of construction, you should reduce the space of corridors inside the house. Moreover, to reduce the high cost of plumbing supplies, you should design the kitchen and bathroom adjacent to each other. An experienced contractor. Some may resort to choosing an inexperienced contractor in order to reduce the cost of construction. However, this point will affect the quality of the house. In case you want to apply this option, you should ask your friends or acquaintances about a trusted contractor. This contractor should have perfectly executed homes. Also, he should be adhering to the delivery dates and budget already set for the construction process. Most importantly, make sure that you are hiring a reputable contractor. There are many contractors who use other subcontractors to undertake the construction process in their absence. So, you need to be careful. Also, hiring an unknown contractor in order to reduce the expense of the construction process may affect the quality of the construction. It may make you suffer from its damages in the future. Rely on a specialized engineer to supervise the construction stages. When building a new house, you should hire an engineer to supervise the construction process. This step is to ensure that each stage is fully implemented according to the correct standards. Having a specialized engineer is important, especially in the concrete structure and finishing stages. Otherwise, the condition of the house and its suitability for housing will be damaged over time. Choose high-quality building materials. Using low-quality building materials will make you suffer from heavy losses during the implementation of architectural projects. In fact, reliance on these inexpensive materials may lead to collapsing of the building or having to pay additional costs in the future to repair the damages. While purchasing high-quality building materials will reflect on the durability of the building and its age, as well as ensure to build a special home for your family that is characterized by high-quality design, construction, and execution. Choose the best electric tools. One of the most important points you should pay attention to is the electric tools. You should take care of buying unauthorized or unknown power tools. These tools may not be safe for you and your family. In order to choose the best power tools, rely on well-known brands. Rely on good electrical appliances and modern LED lighting. The trend towards rationalization of energy use is growing globally. You should choose low-power consuming appliances, especially in air conditioners. Your choice will rationalize electricity consumption and reduce the value of bills. In the context of rationalizing consumption, LED lighting fixtures prove to live longer and consume less energy. There is no need to build many walls inside the house. Earlier we have mentioned the importance of obtaining a smart design model that uses the spaces effectively and in a smart way. Therefore, you need to avoid building many walls inside the house, as it will lead to having many corridors, which will waste the space of your home. Having multiple ventilation sources. For your family's health, make sure to have good ventilation inside the house, such as balconies and windows, to renew the air. Choose the right colors for the exterior facade and interior walls. The exterior facade of the house and the interior walls should be painted in consistent colors to ensure the aesthetic appearance of the house, as some recent studies have emphasized the ability of colors to improve the mood of humans. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.